It's ready.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Chisom. If you are seeing this channel for the first time, thank you so much for coming. Kindly subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back here to watch my videos. You know I love you. Thank you so much. Today guys, I'll be making pasta. Green pepper, I have my red bell pepper, I have my onion, and I also have my fresh tomatoes. I'll be making this pasta with chicken. I've already washed my chicken. I just have to steam it. I will also be using a tomato plum. I will also be using my Nigerian crayfish all the way from Lagos. I will also be using oil and of course our pasta, and I will be adding also some spices. For pasta, add some salt, add little vegetable oil, to avoid clumping together. So now we will add our pasta. So I'll be adding my crayfish. I add some garlic, just little. Some black pepper. Don't forget to add to your taste, okay? Put your chicken stock.